Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to name your song in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music, video, a liked post, liked albums, liked playlists. In the top side of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar at the end. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and name your song in Bandlab. So, first of all, launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device, as I already told you in the start of this video. Then go to your library and open the project that you want to name. So in the top side of the screen, we have the library, which is the fourth option. When you have a project, it will be here. At the top of your project screen, you'll see a field labeled project name. Click on it and enter your desired name for the song. After that, press enter or click away to save the name. Your song will now be saved with the new name that you have, of course, chosen. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.